He looks like a little taller than Poopy Diaper. He's walking around, that thing's just flopping.
Well, we just had breakfast. Talked with Mia and Braden a lot. They're really cool. They live in Maine. I think I'm gonna do some stretching, some hypervolting. Then we're gonna get started on our day. Kind of late start, but it'll be good. You know who Sabrina Carpenter is?
What's his name?
You know the song Espresso?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe? It's like the #1 hit song in the world right now. It's like the best song on the planet.
You think I listen to the YouTubes and the radios?
Fair enough, but you should. It's a fucking banger. That's what I'm listening to right now.
Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing it with me.
You're welcome. Yeah. I'll play it in the car tomorrow or the next day. You'll be like, oh, Tino's right. This song is actually really good and it's really catchy. That's the bridge. We might be fucked. Dane said this shit was gonna be all downhill, and this shit is very steep. I'm a little dramatic. That was only like 5 minutes of uphill.
Ways, but I never had them. Finally bought them.
Yeah? Tell me more about him.
Crikey. Look like Steve Owen.
That was awful.
You guys wore green little shorts like this.
I know, but I'm saying the impression was bad. What's the plan?
To here behind the Poco, it looks like there might be a bridge. So we're gonna hike there, see if it is, see if we can talk to anybody. If they say beyond that's closed, then we'll cross that. Or if that's also closed, then we might just turn around and go back and take the road, because talking to my friend Becky back home, she's been researching for us, and it looks like since December 14th, this trail has been closed. So yeah, we could get into a bad situation if we keep going.
That's a guy we met. His name's Christophe, French dude, and he was saying that Dane is in front of me at that camp spot, and we'll meet up again. And if not, well, I need to figure it out. Look what I found. Wait, you running?
I ran all the way down to the next village, and they have a cable they can send us across, but beyond that it's closed.
Okay.
So we're okay.
Okay.
Okay. There's a cable. There's a cable across. And he just probably pay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
All good.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Dude, I ran the whole fucking way down there, man. €8. Huh? €8.
Yeah. Huayna Poco camping. We figured to stop for lunch, even though, what time is it? It's 10:45, because Dane was really tired from running all the time, which makes sense. So we're gonna hang out here for a bit. Got ourselves a little sandwich, egg sandwich, Twix, and Gatorade. This Gatorade's so fucking good. It's better than the one in the US. The flavor is unreal. We're ready to go across. Christophe paid the guy 20 soles for all 3 of us to go across, so yeah, should be pretty sweet. Christophe said the guy said 3 people could fit on that cart. There's no way in hell all 3 of us are hopping on that thing and going across. Gracias, Henry.
Adiós, amigos.
Whoa. Okay, I think it's really fun.
Hot.
Yeah. This is so fucking hard.
No. Yeah, it's recording. Hell yeah. Best part about being in the back is Dane has to pull everything. Look at him. Look at him work. Look at his hard work. Look at him. Look at him work hard, baby. Work hard. Who's gonna carry the boat? Who's gonna carry that boat? Hell yeah. Big chillin' back here.
Oh man, it's tough. Oh my god, this is really tough.
Ale, ale. That was really cool. But now it's just like straight uphill till we get to the road, which fucking sucks.
You want a hit, bruh?
Yeah, give me a hit, bruh. Thanks. Pretty good.
Is it good?
Yeah, that was good stuff. Finally made it. Going to our room right now. Very tired. Got here at 2 o'clock. Left at 8. About 6-hour trek today. Most of it was downhill though, which was nice.
Dude, we got towels. We got head and shoulders. We live like kings, baby.
Yeah, the last 2 nights we've only been showering ourselves with water. Because the water's been fucking ice cold.
Delicioso. Es delicious food.
This is cool.
The Airbnb host was giving us a coffee tour, and we just had a big ass snake that he killed in April, and it's called Chica Mala, because it strangles you, and that's how it got its name. Kind of funny. The beans.
The local name is Señor Pablo.
Ah.
No cocaína, es coca.
Coca.
Mira, chico, estas es las hojas de coca. Yeah. This is the coca seed. Original name is Arabian coffee. Café brasileño. Catimos, ¿ya? ¡Wow, amigos! Vamos.
Yeah.
Wow.
Ah, perfect. Un momento.
More shit. You might be the first person to be bludgeoned to death with an avocado.
Me? Fuck you.
Fed your calling.
Yeah, team the bean movement.
You're gonna do a little bean movement. Just another day in the mines. No, so Teen thinks I'm on my phone all the time. Meanwhile, this guy's read a single page out of his book. No way.
Everyone knows that. When I bring Harry Potter somewhere, I don't read it.
¿Cómo se llama su novia?
No
No
tengo.
novia.
No.
Oh, vamos a poner para Manuela.
Just had dinner, and then we were hanging out and just talking, chit-chatting. Super cool group we got. There's 2 guys from Germany that tagged along with us. Yeah, the French guy isn't here today, which is unfortunate, but dude, super cool. And if you do the Salcantay trek, highly recommend staying at Leah B&B. Unreal hospitality. He gave us a coffee tour of his plantation and stuff. We learned about bananas, avocados, cacao, all kinds of stuff, dude. It was incredible. Yeah, highly recommend. Tomorrow we got a long day, and I need to beat Dane and the frog, so I'll be back. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you
18.
What am I gonna do with this avocado in my pocket?
There you go. Nice. Oh!